Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I know you all are jolly. Today I'll be making some crispy honey chili beef. And here is my amazing husband. He's just slicing up the beef. So what we're trying to do is to get these into some thin strips of beef, right? So and you kind of want them long because guess what, when you fry them they are going to shrink. They're going to get a little bit on the short side, just a little bit. So yeah, it's best if you have them kind of long. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's food and it's gonna give you the same flavor, the same everything. So if you want little short ones, that's okay too. Because what if you don't get the beef the way how you want it? So you have to just make it work, right? So yes, here he is now. He's doing the strips. So you don't want them to be too thick because then they are not going to fry, right? And the thing is, or the kind of crazy thing is that beef takes so long. Like when you have it big, it takes a good while to cook, right? But when you slice it thin like this, it cooks in no time. So yeah, just get it nice and thin strips. So here we are, all done with my strips. And then now here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using to construct this amazing, nice, delicious dish. Okay, so now we're going to marinate the beef. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Get it all out of the container, yes. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon minced garlic. And the same thing, I need to get it all out. And then now I'm going in with 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, and then I'm going to mix, combine, rub it in, moisturize it with all this seasoning. Yes girl, go in, rub it, love on it, and a rub and a mixing and a rub. And there we are. Oh, I almost forgot my sesame oil, so I added 1 teaspoon sesame oil, right? So here now we're preparing to fry. So here is 1/2 cup of cornstarch or corn flour, and we just want to coat. I'll be doing it in batches too. We just want to coat the strips of beef, right? And please be sure to shake off the excess cornstarch, right? Shake it off because you don't want all of that in the pot or clumps of the cornstarch on your beef. So you just need it to be coated nice and evenly and looking all good, so we give it a nice little crisp, and that's just about it. Shake it off and then set it aside. There it is. And I'm just gonna do the rest. As I said, I'm doing it when I'm frying it. I'm going to be frying it in batches because you don't want to overcrowd the pot. And that's us. So yeah, Vibes fam, you want to separate them. Guess what, you can add them to the pot like strip by strip, you know, but I didn't want to do that. And so I just, like, you know, take up a little clump and add it to the pot. And then all I did was to use my fork and just kind of separate them, right? So if you add them strip by strip, then you wouldn't need to do that. And please don't overcrowd the pot. So you want to fry them only for about 3 or 4 minutes or until they are golden brown like that, right? And then take them out and set them aside. And then you're gonna go in with your other batch. So yeah, just take them out. And then let's get to frying again. So yeah, Vibes Fam, please remember 3 to 4 minutes and that's it. You don't want to dry them out because you need, when you bite into them, it have, you know, nice little moisturized thing going in the middle. So yeah, I'm only turning those ones because those middle ones, they were kind of big on the chunkier side. But otherwise, I just leave them and let them fry. But yeah, here they are. Take them out. Take them out. Vibes Fam. This tastes so good. I'm so excited. I hope you guys can try this one. I really hope you guys can try it. And there are some of the ingredients that maybe even if you don't have, I'll just tell you what is the alternative to it, right? But yeah, it is so good. So good. So good. So yeah, Vibes Fam, this is just a nice little Friday evening. You know, you don't want to buy no fast food, but you want something so delicious. Go for this. This is so good. So good. And remember, don't fry these for long. 3 to 4 minutes and take them out because you need them to have, you know, some niceness in the middle. And here they are, all golden and beautiful. So now let's work on the sauce. So here I'm adding 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark sweet soy sauce, 2 tablespoons Chinese cooking wine or apple juice, a third cup honey, and 1 tablespoon Hoisin, 2 tablespoon white vinegar. And then you're gonna stir that in. You're gonna let it cook a bit. You just need it to get thick. So give it a stir, kind of leave it to bubble. And here I added 1 teaspoon chili flakes. If you're spicy, be careful if it's really spicy, right? But add more according to if you know you want some kick. Yes. So stir it up and allow it to just bubble like that and then get thick. And Vibes Fam, this is how you know if it's ready-ish. You see when you take the spoon and you like draw it in the middle, you see it separate. That is a good little look. Say yeah, it ready, or it's almost ready, right? So, and make sure you taste and see if it's good enough for you. Okay, so now I'm going to add the strips of beef. And Vibes Fam, I'm telling you, this is so nice, so delicious. So you want to just coat those with the sauce, like get it all over it. Yes, and a yes. And trust me, Vibes Fam, like it's going to just absorb, the beef is just going to absorb all that niceness, absorb it so deliciously goody. And don't worry about it. Yes, it's gonna get a bit darker as it when it absorbs it more. Here I added a little sesame seed just for a little look. You don't have to do that part, right? But yeah, Vibes Fam, just stir it up and then that is you all done. Look at it, so nice. It's so delicious. You need to try this one, trust me. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. It is, listen, I cannot stress it enough. Vibes Fam, this is delicious. I mean, when I was eating this, I was dancing. Now, just in case you guys don't know, I dance when food sweet me. My bossa one dance. Man, I don't talk. Me I tell you no. So delicious, good. Look pan it. Look pan beef a glisten. Come through strips with a glistening body. Yes, you look good. Watch your pepper flakes. Yes, Peppy, I see you. Yes, come through garnish, all green. Vibes Fam, you have to try this though. I'll list the ingredients down below, and for those that there's an alternative, I'll list it as to what it is. But Vibes Fam, please try it and tell me how it turned out for you if you do. By the way, Vibes Fam, could you please play the ads? It helps me when you play the ads. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you. Thanks for the support.